What's up everybody, Nick here with Tackform. I'm here to give you a quick overview of our BC1 bar clamp series. Adjustable bar clamps are great, but what's even greater is having a bar clamp specifically designed for your 1.5" bars, or your 1" bars, or your 1¼ bars. Don't settle for a universal bar clamp designed for 1¼ bars to put them on your 1" handlebar by throwing bushings in there. It's okay, but it's not the greatest look. For that reason, we came out with a series of clamps for every single bar size, ranging from 7/8 all the way up to 2 inches. Additionally, they come in black, they come in chrome, they come in what we call long reach, where there's a ball connected to the bar clamp, or what we call short reach, where there's a dovetail connected to the bar clamp. With the dovetail on the bar clamp, you can ditch half of the arm completely and go right to a socket and the phone holder for a very short reach, compact solution. This is what most guys are using on their motorcycle. Additionally, what makes this setup nice is we have what's called a Type B interface on this connecting point at the top. So although it comes with a 20mm ball, you can very easily and at a low cost swap it out for a 1" ball, a 26mm ball, or a dovetail. So if you already have a bar clamp with a ball, you have a long reach setup, down the road you say, look, I want to shorten this up. You can do that. You just get the dovetail, swap out this part, and you're good to go.